Hello traders. Today we'll be looking at the PipHunter M5 EA. It's an MT4 scalper aimed at Great British Pound USD and Euro USD. On the 5-minute chart, the developer positions it as a fast intraday tool that uses advanced market analysis algorithms to make decisions with lightning speed and maximum precision. That's the core claim you'll see right at the top of the MQL5 page over here. It's priced at $187 and was made by Vadim Vechkov from Ukraine. Now, before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, let's walk through what the developer is actually saying about this EA. They describe it as an innovative Forex scalping robot designed for effective intraday trading. The big selling points are high decision making speed, thanks to an optimized algorithm, effective risk management through trading stops and street spread control, an adaptive strategy that automatically adjusts lot size based on your account status and market conditions. Now we're useful for our prop firm traders. It also puts ease of use on the MT4 platform and flexible settings so you can set your trading hours. On the risk side, however, they recommend the minimum starting balance of $1,000, reliable broker with low spreads, and regular monitoring, even though it's automated. They also mention following the updates for best results. There's no detailed public signal with multi-year verified numbers on the product page itself, but we have earlier posts such as this on the from the developer, which talk about roughly 87% profit in 54 days on a real account, tested with M1 with FX open. If I can just get to it, you can see it over here. Now for the marketed features and settings, they're pretty straightforward if you ask me. I've got your trading stop points set at 10 by default, and that's how many points the trail moves to protect profits. It has opened. You can see Great British Pound M5 total net profit $11,800 approximately. We have this gross profit. Then we have a profit factor of 3.39. An okay profit factor, but does it match up with my backtest? We'll find out. Okay, so the said model, every tick, the most precise method based on all available this time frame. Now let's go to, or let's move on to what I actually saw when I ran the EA. I backtested the Great Britain pound against the US dollar, the same model they suggested. I'm using my own time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 on the M5 period. I'm using a 10k starting balance. Let's move on to the results. You can see 10k initial deposit, total net profit of $2,226, profit factor 3.83. It matches slightly, it matches with what they suggested, but our profit factor slightly lower. Our net profit is slightly lower, way lower, not slightly. Now we have the gross profit of 3,000, gross loss of 786. Let's look at our drawdown. Maximum drawdown 3.43, relative drawdown 3.43. Our Profit trades were 97.6%, loss rate 2.34%. Not bad, not a bad result. Now, if we move over to our graph, we can see it's a slow upward move with some dips, recovery dips, and then a higher climb upward. And just continues at that, which is about 12,000 in equity. Modest growth, bit choppy though, but modest still. Now comparing that to the developer's claim, the high win rate lines up the tight trading scalper. The overall return is a long way from the short-term 87% figure they mentioned in earlier posts. The low drawdown is nice on paper, but the expectancy per trade is thin once you factor in real spreads and commissions. Now the inputs that actually matter, let me come over here. Inputs that actually matter are the open order points, threshold, the trading distance, the match spread, filter, and the 8-hour period. This for control whether it trades too often, gives back too much profit, or sits out when conditions aren't ideal. The auto lot adjustment is basic, and the time filters are useful if you want to avoid quiet sessions. Honestly, this is a pure spread and execution dependent scalper. In live trading, that 10-point max spread filter will keep it out of a lot of bars, and any slippage or commission starts eating the small average winners pretty quickly. There's no grade or matic scale visible in the official description, which is plus, but the high win rate, low reward profile means a short run of the larger losers can wipe out weeks of grinding. It's like secret session and struggles when the market is choppy or spreads widen. So who is this actually for? Someone who already has a tight spread ECM broker, wants a VPS, and is fine with slow single digit annual returns and very low drawdown. Or a trader who wants to study how a simple trading stop scalper behaves without recovery systems. If you need meaningful growth or you're on a normal retail account, this probably isn't going to move the needle enough to justify the monitoring. And that is the realistic picture, folks. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next review, and drop a comment telling me which EA you want me to dig into next. And don't forget to grab that free robot with indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.